What if I told you that the trait most women overlook is the one thing that could capture a man's heart forever? And no, it's not your looks, your career, or even how independent you are. It's something much deeper, much more powerful, and it's right within you. Take a moment to think about this. Why do some women who seem ordinary on the surface end up with devoted, loving partners, while others who seem to have it all, beauty, brains, and success, struggle to keep a man's interest? Is it luck, timing, or is there something else going on beneath the surface? Here's the truth. In today's world, where dating apps have reduced connections to swipes and likes, men are bombarded with options. Yet, even in this sea of choices, there's one trait that makes a woman unforgettable. It's not about perfection. It's not about being the cool girl who never asks for anything. It's about being authentically, unapologetically yourself. But wait, that's not the cliché self-help advice you've heard before. This isn't just about being yourself. It's about being emotionally open in a way that creates an irresistible connection. And no, this isn't about oversharing or being vulnerable with the wrong people. It's about understanding emotional authenticity. Let me give you a quick story. There was a woman named Laura. She wasn't the most stunning woman in the room, nor was she the most accomplished, but every man who met her described her as unforgettable. Why? It wasn't because she played games or put on a facade. It was because she made people feel something. She had a way of sharing her thoughts and emotions that was raw, real, and magnetic. When Laura spoke about her day, even the small frustrations or joys, she did so with a genuine warmth that made others feel seen and understood. Her energy wasn't guarded or overly polished. She wasn't trying to prove anything, and in her openness, she gave the men in her life permission to feel safe, to let their guard down, and to connect on a deeper level. That's the trait we're talking about today: emotional authenticity. It's the ability to show up as your true self, with your thoughts, feelings, and imperfections. And in doing so, you invite a man into a space where he feels valued, trusted, and inspired. Why does this work? Because modern men, even the good ones, are tired. Tired of superficial connections, tired of being told they need to chase unattainable ideals, and tired of feeling like they're just an accessory to someone else's life. What they crave is depth, not perfection. They want to feel needed, wanted, and most importantly, understood. When you embrace emotional authenticity, you're not just showing him who you are, you're giving him the space to be himself too. You're saying, I'm here to connect, not compete. And that's a breath of fresh air in a world full of filters and facades. But here's the catch. Emotional authenticity isn't about dumping your feelings onto someone or seeking validation. It's about owning your emotions and sharing them with intention. It's about knowing when to speak, when to listen, and how to create an emotional bond that makes a man see you as the woman he can't imagine his life without. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how emotional authenticity can transform your relationships, but you'll also learn actionable steps to start embracing this powerful trait today. Because here's the thing. It's not just about capturing his heart. It's about living a life where you feel seen, valued, and truly connected. Let's unpack why emotional authenticity is the ultimate game changer in relationships and how it impacts the dynamics between men and women in today's world. Why emotional authenticity works. At its core, emotional authenticity creates a safe space, not just for you, but for him. It's where vulnerability and strength meet, and it's deeply magnetic. Let me explain why this is so powerful with a little psychology. Modern men are often caught in a paradox. They're told to be strong, stoic providers, while simultaneously being emotionally available and empathetic. It's a balancing act that leaves many of them feeling like they're failing at one or both. When you embody emotional authenticity, you show him that it's okay to let down his guard, because you've let down yours first. It's about leading with your energy, not control. A woman who embraces emotional authenticity doesn't need to demand attention or affection. Instead, her presence speaks volumes. She becomes someone a man feels drawn to, not because of her beauty, status, or what she can offer, but because she makes him feel something deeper, safe to be his authentic self. To illustrate, let's look at two women in similar situations, Emma and Sarah. Emma is the type of woman society often idealizes. She's stunning, independent, and always seems to have everything together. But here's the thing, when she's with men, she hides her emotions. She thinks showing her struggles might make her look weak. She avoids tough conversations, laughs things off, and sticks to surface-level topics to keep things light. Men are initially drawn to Emma, but over time, they lose interest. Why? Because there's no depth. It's like trying to connect with a perfectly wrapped gift that's always out of reach. Now, Sarah isn't as polished. She has her insecurities and isn't afraid to show them. On her second date, when the guy asks her what her week was like, she doesn't say, "Oh, everything's great." Instead, she smiles and admits, "Honestly, it's been a rough one. I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed at work. But you know what? I'm figuring it out, and I'm proud of myself for handling it better than I used to." Notice the difference? Sarah doesn't dump her problems on the guy. But she also doesn't pretend to be perfect. She shares her reality in a way that's grounded and open. What does this do? It creates a connection. It tells him, "I'm human, just like you, and I trust you enough to share this part of me." The masculine response to emotional authenticity. Here's where it gets interesting. When you're emotionally authentic, it activates a man's protective instincts. It's not about making him your savior. It's about creating a dynamic where he feels valued. Men crave purpose in relationships, and part of that purpose comes from feeling they can contribute to your life emotionally, not just materially. When you share your thoughts and feelings openly, it triggers his natural desire to step up. He's no longer navigating a guessing game, trying to figure out what you want or how you feel. Instead, he sees you as someone he can understand, connect with, and support. This emotional transparency isn't about being needy or over-reliant on him. It's about giving him the opportunity to show up in ways that matter. And in a world where so many men feel they're only appreciated for what they can provide financially, this emotional connection becomes a rare and cherished experience. The pitfalls of avoiding emotional authenticity. Let's take a step back and address a common objection. But what if being open scares him away? This is a valid concern, especially in today's dating culture, where some men shy away from commitment or emotional depth. But here's the reality. Emotional authenticity separates the right men from the wrong ones. A man who's only interested in surface-level attraction or material gain will feel uncomfortable when faced with your depth. And that's not a bad thing. It's a blessing in disguise. It saves you from investing time and energy in someone who isn't capable of meeting you where you are emotionally. On the other hand, a man who values connection will be drawn closer. He'll appreciate your honesty, respect your courage, and feel inspired to reciprocate. Practical steps to cultivate emotional authenticity. You might be wondering, how do I start showing emotional authenticity in my life? Here's a simple, actionable guide. 1. Practice self-awareness. Before you can share your emotions with someone else, you need to understand them yourself. Take time to reflect on how you feel and why. Journaling or talking with a trusted friend can help you identify patterns in your emotions. 2. Communicate with intention. Emotional authenticity doesn't mean saying whatever comes to mind. Instead, frame your feelings in a way that's clear and intentional. For example, use "I feel" statements. "I feel excited about this opportunity," or "I feel uncertain about where this is going." 3. Balance vulnerability with strength. Share your emotions, but don't hand over your power. Being emotionally authentic isn't about seeking validation. It's about owning your experiences and inviting connection. 4. Start small. You don't have to dive into your deepest fears right away. Begin by sharing small, genuine thoughts or feelings, and notice how the other person responds. Now that we've explored why emotional authenticity is so powerful and begun unpacking how to develop it, let's take it one step further. In this final segment, we'll address common fears, debunk lingering myths, and provide a practical roadmap to making emotional authenticity a natural part of your relationships. Plus, we'll touch on how this trait transforms not just your love life, but your overall confidence and sense of self. Debunking myths about emotional authenticity. Let's tackle some of the most common myths about emotional authenticity that might be holding you back. 1. If I show my emotions, I'll look weak. Strength isn't about pretending nothing bothers you. It's about owning your experiences. Emotional authenticity is the ultimate power move because it shows that you trust yourself enough to be real. In fact, men perceive a woman who can express her emotions clearly and confidently as both strong and approachable. 2. What if I scare him away? Here's a hard truth. If your emotional authenticity scares him, he's not your person. A man who's worth your time will see your openness as an invitation to connect, not a reason to run. Let your authenticity act as a filter, separating those who are ready for real connection from those who aren't. 3. It's manipulative to share emotions to get a reaction. Emotional authenticity isn't about manipulation. It's not about playing games or using your feelings to control someone. Instead, it's about sharing your truth in a way that's respectful, intentional, and rooted in a desire to build mutual understanding. Practical steps to make emotional authenticity a lifestyle. Let's get down to the actionable part. How can you embrace emotional authenticity in your daily life and relationships? 1. Create emotional boundaries. Emotional authenticity doesn't mean sharing everything with everyone. It means being intentional about who you open up to. Ask yourself, has this person shown me that they're safe to share with? If the answer is no, start small. Reserve your deeper emotions for those who've earned your trust. 2. Learn the power of pausing. When emotions run high, it's easy to react impulsively, but part of emotional authenticity is responding, not reacting. Practice pausing when you feel overwhelmed. Take a breath, identify what you're feeling, and choose to share it thoughtfully. For example, I feel hurt by what you said earlier, and I'd like to talk about it. 3. Let go of perfectionism. One of the biggest barriers to emotional authenticity is the pressure to be perfect. Stop trying to manage how you're perceived. Instead, embrace your humanity. It's okay to feel unsure, to make mistakes, and to be a work in progress. In fact, this openness is what makes you relatable and endearing. 4. Practice emotional generosity. Emotional authenticity isn't just about sharing your own feelings. It's about creating a safe space for others to share theirs. When you're with someone, ask questions like, "How are you really feeling?" and listen without judgment. This act of generosity deepens trust and connection. The unexpected benefits of emotional authenticity. The power of emotional authenticity extends far beyond romantic relationships. When you begin to embrace this trait, you'll notice shifts in every area of your life. Greater confidence. By owning your emotions, you reinforce the belief that you are worthy just as you are. This confidence is magnetic. It attracts not only partners, but also opportunities and friendships. Stronger boundaries. Emotional authenticity helps you recognize who deserves a place in your life and who doesn't. It empowers you to walk away from relationships that drain you and invest in those that uplift you. Deeper fulfillment. Living authentically means experiencing life more fully. You're no longer stuck in surface-level interactions, but are instead building meaningful, impactful connections. The masculine perspective. Why this trait is irresistible. Let's revisit the masculine perspective to solidify why emotional authenticity is so compelling to men. When you're emotionally authentic, you're signaling to a man that you trust him enough to share your inner world. This isn't just attractive, it's transformative. It calls forth his best qualities: empathy, devotion, and a desire to protect and nurture the connection. In a world where men often feel judged or misunderstood, your emotional openness becomes a sanctuary. It allows him to step into his natural role as a provider and protector, not in the outdated sense of finances or physical safety, but in the emotional realm. He feels valued, needed, and inspired to show up for you in ways that deepen the relationship. How to handle emotional risk. Emotional authenticity does come with risks. You might face rejection, misunderstanding, or even moments of discomfort. But here's the thing. The greatest rewards in life, love, trust, and connection, come from taking those risks. To manage emotional risk effectively, trust your intuition. Listen to your gut when deciding how much to share and with whom. Detach from outcomes. Remember, emotional authenticity isn't about controlling someone else's reaction. It's about honoring your truth. Celebrate small wins. Even if the outcome isn't perfect, celebrate the courage it took to show up authentically. A final word. Your power lies in your authenticity. Here's the takeaway. The feminine trait that captures his heart forever isn't beauty, intelligence, or even charm. It's your ability to be real. Emotional authenticity is rare in a world full of masks, and that's exactly why it's so powerful. It's not about being perfect or always having the right words. It's about showing up as yourself, flaws and all, and inviting him to do the same. So the next time you feel tempted to hold back, remember this: the risk of being authentic is far outweighed by the reward of creating a connection that lasts. Because when you show up as your true self, you're not just capturing his heart, you're setting yourself free. Now it's your turn. What's one way you can practice emotional authenticity this week? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's start a conversation that matters.